This is the final video to fix the Epic Games launcher setup wizard ended prematurely error. Are you also facing this problem while trying to install the Epic Games launcher? You run the setup, it starts loading, and then suddenly it stops with that message saying the setup wizard ended prematurely. It feels really confusing, right? Let me tell you why this happens. This error usually appears when Windows blocks some installation files or when your system doesn't have the right permissions. Sometimes antivirus or background apps can also stop the setup from completing. Now, you might have already seen many solutions on YouTube or Facebook, but most of them are complicated and hard to follow. When I faced this same problem, I fixed it using a simple and secret trick that worked perfectly. Here's the normal fix you can try right now. Go to your Epic Games setup file, right-click on it, and choose Run as Administrator. If it still doesn't work, right-click again, go to Properties, then click Compatibility, and check the box that says Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Click Apply, then OK, and try running the setup again. For many people, this easy trick solves the problem instantly. If it doesn't work for you, don't worry. I have a full step-by-step tutorial that covers every possible way to fix this error. If you want to make that video, comment down below and let me know.